Hi, my name is Cyrus Sarislani. I am part of the ITN major with a focus on networking. Today I am here to talk about Podio, which is an online work platform that many companies use to help streamline their work so that employees can share and work on data and add notes for each other in a more streamlined way. Some of the features of Podio include that it has multiple networks for different users. So if you were a part of multiple different groups, you could go into different networks so you could see only information that is relevant to the workload that you are attempting to take on. Um, it allows you to chat with different users on the network as well. So once you upload new files and new documents for other employees to see and work with, you are able to uh, uh, comment on what they have posted, as well as simply if you want to have a face-to-face chat with them, or just type out some message to them about what they have uploaded. Um, you are able to do that as well. It does have that functionality. Podio also has a calendar function, so it is very similar to programs such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook Calendar, where you essentially are able to um, slot out times for meetings or any other related events to your workload. Um, However, it doesn't necessarily plan out sort of a structure like other management software does. So different users on Podio also have their own personal task list. So when they, for example, come into work one day and their manager needs them to do this, this, and the other thing, they are able to immediately see that in a very well formatted way so that they can be able to deliver upon those objectives in a accordingly. And they're able to not only see tasks that are or that have been delegated to them recently, but also tasks that have been completed in the past. So it does keep a record of the tasks that you have completed for the day, which is very useful if you need to go back and check if you had or had not done something, or maybe if the task had just been dropped altogether. So you will be able to see that regardless of whether or not it's in your newly assigned task list. The employee intranet page acts as a mostly as a directory. You are able to view and see the status of other employees. So if you want to have a meeting, phone call meeting with other employees or another team, you can easily go to the intranet portion of Podio and look at what they are doing at the moment and see if they're busy, if they're in a meeting themselves, so you can better plan and not try and give them a phone call when they're already very busy. Um, so along with being able to upload and upload files and documents and stuff, you can also upload and create deliverables that you can edit as to where and when they can be seen by other people. And when you do that, just like files and documents, you are also able to have other people comment on that and also edit deliverables as well if they see that you might have missed something or something new came up that you weren't aware of, just so that everyone is on the same page. So overall, Podio is a very good platform for streamlining work tasks, as seen through the tasks list for different users. Um, The one thing that Podio does lack is email integration. So unfortunately, if you had a maybe like a calendar and Outlook, it will not sync with Podio, and if you um, were to try and send an email, you that had a sort of pre-filled meeting time and place, you that would not automatically sort of appear in Podio in your calendar in Podio. Otherwise, it is a very efficient and very streamlined platform for people to get work in a much smarter and more efficient way.